The Baltimore City Public School System has its fair share of challenges. Among them is the student dropout rate. While it's decreased from 14.1% in 2012 to 12.1% in 2013, according to Baltimore City Public Schools, it's still a source of concern for school officials. To address it, the school system is partnering with a new initiative called the Re-Engagement Center to attract those students who've been disengaged from school. The Re-Engagement Center provides intensive wraparound services like counseling and housing assistance, resources that would otherwise be absent in a normal school setting. Over 80% or 8 out of 10 students who attend Baltimore schools qualify for free and reduced lunch, meaning that they live at or below the poverty line. Coupled with the effects of living in a violent neighborhood or dealing with parents who are substance abusers, can create a number of barriers for students to graduate on time.
What makes us so different is that we're not putting additional barriers in your way that you have to now go to enrollment office. You have to go find a school that wants to take you because now you're a little older and you have only 5 credits. Or now you have to go find your own mental health support or hope that, the guidance counselor can figure out what supports you need. No, we're making sure that when you go to your school, you're coming with your plan. The guidance counselor knows your plan. The principal knows your plan. The social workers know your plan so that you have that comprehensive family to really support you along your way so that you don't have to take that walk out that door again and not come back.
Roger Shaw describes the tactics and strategies necessary for the staff at the center to create a safe, supportive space for the young people who come through their doors.
Anytime you're re-engaging young people who've had tremendous trauma or many barriers that set them off track from their goals, the very first thing you want to do is give them a sense of hope. And you give them a sense of hope that says, I want to help you. I want to be able to support you. So the power of NICE is a way to negotiate and to build that trust and to build that relationship effectively and quickly.
Destiny Turner, a student who's gone through the program and is on track to graduate in 2017, explains why programs like this are effective and necessary.
My experience at the re-engagement program has been wonderful. It has been an amazing opportunity to be able to come back into high school after leaving for a little bit. The difference about the re-engagement program is that they actually care about students finishing and completing high school. And to finish our education is their main goal. Thank you to the re-engagement program for allowing me to have that opportunity to graduate high school and go on to college and to pursue my dreams.
While success stories like Destiny's are encouraging, there are hundreds of other students who become disengaged from the school system every year. She says more could be done to engage those young people who fall through the cracks.
Dropout prevention programs are really crucial, especially in inner city cities such as Baltimore or anywhere else in the country, because there are millions and millions of teenagers who do drop out of high school and do not finish their education due to other reasons besides just wanting to leave school. I think it's much deeper than that, and that was the case for me, and I know that's the case for millions and millions of other teenagers around the country.
In 2014, as Maryland touted an 86% graduation rate, Baltimore schools struggled to make sure that just over 69% of students walked away with a diploma after 4 years. Tiffany Clemens hopes that programs like the Re-Engagement Center can be replicated throughout the city to support more students in the journey to graduation.
Our vision for the Re-Engagement Center is to not just be a deficiency model center, but also be a hub for professional development as well. So what are some of the things that we're doing with our students here that we can now start replicating in our traditional high schools so that they can start meeting the needs of their kids that they're starting to see that are disengaged very early on in 9th grade, 10th grade, so they can stay the course with their students who are already enrolled. So that helps to kind of take some of the great practices that are going on here and making sure that we have it in all of our high schools.
This is Megan Sherman reporting with the Real News Network.